What is good? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it poppin'. All right, y'all. So first of all, before we dive too deep, I hope everyone enjoyed their Thanksgiving. I know it's a trying time right now. We all still trying to have fun, but y'all gotta be safe. So let's just be safe while we're trying, okay? But December's here. It's December 1st. Hey, so Christmas is creeping on through. We know we did my Flawless Fall features all of November. So yes, your girl tired, but I'm gonna keep on going. So for the month of December, we're gonna be doing 12 Slays of Christmas, my true love gave to me. One poppin' wig, one with some color, one with some texture, and don't know the rest. All right, so let me not even play myself. Let's keep it cute while we're there if I start messing up the lyrics, because I just made that up on the spot. But anyways, all month long, I'm going to be collaborating with 12 beautiful, beautiful ladies. We're all gonna be bringing to you a wig that we think will get you right for the holidays, girl. We're gonna be busting out some reviews for y'all, okay? So the first beautiful lady is gonna be Miss QUEENDOM Mindset, aka Nene. If you don't know who Nene is, I don't know where you've been, because she's been throwing out these affordable options like bam, bam, bam. She is the queen of headband wigs right now, especially for on a budget, especially for Amazon. She like, okay, we got 5 in this video. They all under $17. Let's get it popping. So if you're looking for some affordable options, you looking to get right and cute on a budget, you need to know who she is. So make sure you head over to her video and see what she's slaying over there. I know it's gonna be something bomb, okay? And thank you again, girl, for doing this collaboration with me. And I know you see her pictures popping up, so you know what I'm talking about. We got options here. But let's go ahead and get into the review.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart.
All right, y'all. So let's get into the information and deets in the review on this unit. So first of all, shout out to Beauty Forever for sending me over this unit and sponsoring this video, because your girl is a little bit happy. So that's a spoiler alert. So let's go ahead and talk about it. This is the 3/4 Brazilian Kinky Straights half wig. It's not a headband wig, it's a half wig. This is 18 inches and it is running for around $100, which I think is pretty affordable being a human hair wig. All right, so first of all, this unit is straight out of the package. Did not wash it. You know, sometimes I do wash the headband wigs, but today I did not, because when I took it out, I was like, wait a minute, you pretty, you so. It was just so gorgeous that way it was. I just wanted to get straight to the review. Now, the only thing that I had to do with this unit straight out of the pack was I put a little blow dryer heat to it, because it was all like bent up in the box. It kind of had like some bends and stuff in it, and that's all I did to kind of get it straight. But anything other than that, this is exactly the way the wig looks as is. Like, I haven't put any water on it. I did not put any product on it or anything like that. The texture is so soft. It's so kinky. We got the nice crinkles. It's thick. It's like bigger crinkles up here, and it gets like finer towards the ends. It's so soft, y'all. and it really doesn't need anything. It doesn't need any moisturizer or anything, but because it is human hair, I do want to take care of it as such. So when I do end up washing a unit, I will wash it, condition it, and moisturize it, just so I can make sure that it does last me as long as I want it to last. This is the half wig, which has no headband attached, versus the headband wig has the actual headband sewn into the unit. So there's pros and cons in a headband wig versus a half wig, in my opinion. With a headband wig, I feel like it's a little bit more secure because you just have that one extra strap to hold your wig on your head, versus this, we just have the combs and the adjustable straps to rely on. And then this is a little bit better in a sense too, because if you are someone who wants to actually pull out their hair and blend it with the unit, you can do that with this, but you can't do that with a headband wig. So it's pros and cons for both. With this, I feel like it is definitely something that would fit us. I have a lot of space up in here, but as you can see, it's not to the front of my head. So if I wanted it to bring it up like all the way up here, it's definitely going to fit me. So this is a big head friendly half wig, you guys. So that is not something that you should be concerned about. Now, so far, this unit has not given me any tangling, any shedding. I am able to like just fluff and roll my hands right through this unit with ease. So baby, I also love that this unit is super versatile, so you can kind of do a couple of things with it. You could wear it like this, you could flip it over if you want to, you could put it in an updo ponytail. I feel like this is the human version of Outre Annie. Don't y'all feel like that? This is giving me that Annie vibes, but it's human hair, so much more softer. And if you did see my review on that, you do know that I did say that it was kind of like a tangler. This one is so much easier to deal with. The quality is great. The hair is super soft. It's nice and fluffy. It's giving me a vibe. It looks super natural. It looks like my hair. Like, oh my gosh. They do actually have some options of different lengths. So like I said, this is the 18th inch. It goes from 8 inches all the way to 24 inches I saw. So listen, you got options here. I would honestly like wear this unit for every day because it looks so natural. It's giving me that nice blowout kind of vibe. And it's not tangling. Like, I haven't actually owned a human hair kinky straight unit as of yet. This is my first one. I've only dealt with the synthetic ones where, like, don't get me wrong, they're a vibe too if you kind of got a budget that's a little bit smaller, but this will last you longer. It's softer and it just doesn't tangle. So I'm like, girl. So as far as this unit goes, if I had to rate it on a scale from 1 to 10, I'm gonna be straight honest with y'all. I would definitely give this unit a 10. I have absolutely no cons with the unit. Like, the density is great. Like, everything is so great. It's like fluffy. It's giving you like a full vibe, but it's not too heavy or bulky where you need to do any like taming of anything. It's like, it's just perfect. I think this unit is super beautiful, y'all. Nothing but good things to say about it. I do have a whole entire playlist of some headband wigs. So if you want to look at some other options as well, feel free to do that. It'll probably pop up here, probably popped up at the beginning of the video, but it will be at the end of the video as well as the description box. And again, make sure you look in the description box for the information on this unit, because girl. All right, y'all, so that basically wraps up my review on this unit. Make sure y'all head over to QUEENDOM Mindset, show Nene some love, okay? Show her lots of love. But thank you so much again, girl, for going ahead and doing this collab with me. I'll see y'all soon in my next video, but before I go, the color context I'm wearing today is Trinity Gray from TTDI. Promo code is Carrie if you want to save your little Queenie coin. And now I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.